Welcome to our roundup of the best car stereo head units. Feature-packed audio receivers designed to upgrade your vehicle's entertainment system with better sound quality, modern connectivity, and improved convenience. Whether you're replacing an outdated factory radio, adding Bluetooth functionality, streaming music from your smartphone, or enhancing your overall driving experience, a quality car stereo head unit can make a significant difference. Modern head units come with Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, smartphone integration, customizable EQ settings, hands-free calling, and advanced audio controls for greater flexibility. Many models also include LCD displays, app compatibility, steering wheel control support, and multiple audio outputs for expanding your sound system. Choosing the right car stereo head unit can improve audio performance, enhance connectivity, and make every drive more enjoyable. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car stereo head units available right now. Starting with the Pioneer DH S6220BS car stereo head unit. This model is a great option for users looking for trusted audio performance, reliable connectivity, and advanced sound customization in a compact single-DN design. It typically features Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calling and wireless music streaming, allowing users to stay connected while keeping their hands on the wheel. Many versions include customizable equalizer settings, USB inputs, and compatibility with popular music streaming applications for improved entertainment flexibility. The clear display and intuitive controls make navigation through settings and media sources simple during everyday use. Its advanced audio tuning options help users achieve a more personalized listening experience. Additionally, it delivers dependable sound quality and stable wireless performance during operation. It also improves connectivity, enhances audio customization, and supports modern in-car entertainment needs. Next up is the RecaSound car stereo head unit, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced multimedia functionality, practical usability, and convenient smartphone integration. This model typically features a touchscreen interface combined with Bluetooth connectivity, USB support, and smartphone compatibility for easier access to music, navigation, and communication features. Many versions include backup camera support, steering wheel control compatibility, and multiple audio adjustment settings for greater flexibility. The modern interface helps simplify operation while improving accessibility during daily driving. Its compact installation design makes it suitable for a wide variety of vehicles and dashboard configurations. Additionally, it provides steady multimedia performance and reliable connectivity across different applications. It also improves convenience, enhances accessibility, and supports everyday driving entertainment. Moving on to the Jensen MPR 210 car stereo head unit. This model is known for its simple operation, dependable audio performance, and practical feature set for users looking for an affordable upgrade from factory-installed systems. It typically features Bluetooth functionality, hands-free calling, USB playback, and AM/FM radio support for versatile entertainment options. Many versions include customizable audio controls and multiple preset EQ settings that help improve listening quality across different music genres. The easy-to-read display and straightforward control layout make operation simple and beginner-friendly. Its compact single-DN design allows installation in a wide range of vehicles without requiring major modifications. Additionally, it delivers reliable audio performance and consistent connectivity during regular use. It also improves usability, enhances listening quality, and supports everyday driving convenience. Stepping up in performance, the PLZ car stereo head unit offers a strong balance of advanced smart features, multimedia versatility, and improved audio customization for users who want a more modern driving experience. This model typically features a large touchscreen display, Bluetooth streaming, smartphone mirroring capabilities, and support for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in select versions. Many models include advanced equalizer settings, subwoofer outputs, and multiple connectivity options for integrating with upgraded speaker systems. The responsive touchscreen interface improves navigation and overall user interaction during operation. Its support for backup cameras and steering wheel controls also adds convenience and safety while driving. Additionally, it delivers smooth multimedia performance and dependable audio functionality across different entertainment sources. Taking the top spot is the Boss Audio System's 616 UAB car stereo head unit, a highly popular and versatile option designed for dependable audio performance, user-friendly operation, and excellent value for everyday drivers. This model typically features Bluetooth connectivity, USB playback, auxiliary inputs, and hands-free calling capabilities that make daily driving more convenient and enjoyable. Many versions include built-in audio tuning controls, multiple playback options, and compatibility with various media formats for broader entertainment flexibility. The compact single-DN design allows for easy installation in many vehicles while maintaining a clean dashboard appearance. Its intuitive control layout helps users quickly access settings and media without distraction. Additionally, it delivers consistent sound quality and reliable connectivity throughout everyday use. All of these car stereo head units serve different needs depending on connectivity, multimedia features, and audio customization preferences. The Pioneer DH S6220BS offers trusted audio quality and advanced tuning options. The RicaSound model provides touchscreen functionality and practical smartphone integration. The Jensen MPR 210 delivers reliable everyday performance with straightforward controls. The PLZ model offers advanced multimedia features and greater customization flexibility. And the Boss Audio System's 616 UAB stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car stereo head units. From simple audio upgrades to feature-rich multimedia systems designed to improve your driving experience. Whether you're streaming music, making hands-free calls, or upgrading your vehicle's sound system, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which head unit you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car audio reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy better sound and connectivity with the right car stereo head unit.